We've seen a strong bounce back on the Australian share market with a gain of 1%, and the gains are across the board with every single sector trading higher. This is despite a negative lead on Wall Street, where we did see the worst sector performances coming through from the consumer discretionary, technology as well as real estate space. Here on the Australian market though, we are seeing technology and real estate up by around about 1%, although consumer discretionary is the worst performing sector on the back of updates coming through from Kogan and BWX. But third quarter GDP numbers out on Friday in the US were better than expected, with an annualized rate of 3.5% compared to market expectations for growth of 3.3%. In particular, we saw the softness in soybean exports being offset by the strongest consumer spending in around about 4 years. Here on the domestic market, we are watching some softer updates coming through from the likes of Kogan as well as BWX. In particular, we are seeing Kogan shares down around about 30% after its update. The company is saying that it has been impacted by the GST provisioning for overseas purchases and hit by competition due to that factor. BWX also saying that it's been hit by some of the changes that it's seeing internally, including some rebranding and consolidating the number of warehouses. BWX shares down by around about 18% on the market. But it's a healthcare space which is shining on the Australian share market. The healthcare sector up by around about 3%. So great to see some strong gains after a week of what's been a lot of volatility on Australian as well as global markets.